Hey everyone, so how do we use the product research tool? So here we are in the product research page. To come to this page, you go here on the left menu and you click on this sign, okay, to go to the product research. Inside the product research page, you have the search bar. Here you search for your keyword or title, anything you want to research. Here you have the filters, so you can filter by shipping location, depends on which market you're selling. This gives you very accurate statistics and based on your competition. You have everything from United States to Spain, all those countries here, and you can also go for all locations. You have the price filter, you can filter by price, minimum and maximum. Feedbacks, you can filter out high feedback sellers if you like, also here for minimum to maximum. Exclude phrase. If you search for big niches like smartphones and you don't want to see results like iPhone, you can just write here any keyword you don't want to see, and Zik will filter those listings out. And the sale date range, you can see results from 30 to 7 days. If you scroll down, you will see here the listing type, all listings, fixed price or auction, and condition, you have the brand new or used. After we pick the features we want to have, we go to the search bar and we search for the keyword. I will put pot hanger here and I will click on the search button. Once I click on the search button, Zik pull the list of the items from eBay based on the best match result in the search engine. So your research will be very accurate and the statistic will be very accurate based on what buyers search. Once you have these results, you can either checkbox everything and run statistics on all the results, or you can check specific products if you are focusing on specific model, for example, only on this kind of products, as you can see here. I will go for everything and I will click on the Zik selection. Once you click on the Zik selection, now Zik will pull the data of all these listings and will run calculations and statistics, so you can basically decide if this niche or those products are high demand, low competition, and you have high chances to sell them or not. So let's see. So here is the result, and again, as you can see, we have the search bar up. So let's say you came here, you search something and you want to research a new keyword. You can just put the keywords here and click search instead of going back to the last page. You have here the product research, the title analytic, and the price analytics. These two features we will talk in the next tutorials. Here you have the statistics. You can see the sell-through rate, which means your demand level, how many people sitting at home and willing to buy this product. The active listings, how many competitors you have, sold units, how many units sold in the last 30 days, your sell earnings, how many money this keyword generated in the last 30 days. Successful listings gives you the statistics, the chances of how many people are actually selling for those 100 active listings, average product price, the search, what keyword you search, and the option to save this search to your saved searches list. You will see it in another tutorial. Here you have this pie actually show you how diverse is the market, is the market share. So we can see here there is one seller that taking 10% of the sales, and based on this we can actually decide if there is high chances to sell or not, or what is the chances of us to compete. Here you have the trend analytic, a graph. You can see the daily sales of this keyword in eBay, and when you scroll down you see the list of the products. On this box here you have the sellers, seller name, a button to scan this seller, so you have a quick action to scan this seller, a feedback to see how many feedbacks you have, number of sales, and here in this box you have the product information, the picture, title, number of sales, selling price, the item location, the option to click this button and compare between the eBay and Amazon item, and a quick action to scan the product. If you want to dig down to this title, you can just scan here and you will be able to run a product research search on this title in one click. This flag you see here is actually where the seller comes from, where is his account created. And you can see it when you install the Zik Booster. We will also show it in another tutorial. So basically this is the product research, guys. See you in the next tutorial and thank you very much. Ciao.